how to put a feature image on YouTube like that. Okay, well, let's click customization. Okay, so the image has to be 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. Okay, first thing we do, if you haven't got an image, go to Pixabay and choose an image. They're free. Don't need to buy them, anything. They're all free. So just go to Pixabay, which is pixabay.com. That's it. I'm going to pick this image here because you have to get the person in the photo in the center. So I'll pick this photo and hopefully this will work. Now, so see free download. You can give credit to this guy, which it'll give you. So free for commercial use, no attribution required. So I'm going to pick this photo. So that's 3.7 megabytes, that one there. So I'm going to click on that. So I'll get the best quality photo. If it's more than, remember, if it's more than 6 megabytes, don't download it. Download a smaller version because it won't work. But that one's perfect. So as you can see, there's the copy. You can just copy that and put it on your, if you want. But for YouTube, I wouldn't even bother worrying about putting a credit. On a video, I would. So, to video editor called PIZAP. Also free, but there is a pro version. I've got the pro version because I use it all the time. And there's just more things you can do with it, but to do what we want to do, just the free version is great. So go to blank canvas and click on custom size. Whoops. 2, 4, 8 of 2. Make sure that's got pixels. Remember, because on YouTube it says pixels. So make sure you put pixels, not inches. Okay. Click OK. We'll get a blank screen there. Now you can change the color of that if you want, but we're going to use the whole photo. So add a picture from my computer. There it is. Open. Okay, there it is. Alright, so see this here, this white frame we're seeing. It looks big when you're working on it, but it's only tiny once you adopt it to your YouTube. So when you're finished with it, It's just giant size for editing, so you can see what you're damn doing. Now you can change the colour if you want. If you want to change it to a different colour. But I might just use the original colour, but you might have an image that you probably could do that too. So make sure you get it in line. You could probably just stretch that a little bit more. Well, no, it's okay. That's fine. Okay. Lock it. Click the lock. And save it. Yeah, Surface Paradise. I got SP. Yeah, or just put anything. Make sure it's high quality, not standard. Save to computer. If you don't want high quality, you can go standard. I'm not sure if high quality is in the Pro version, but standard wouldn't matter. I'll do standard just in case it is for Pro version, because I bet you there'll be no difference in you won't notice the difference, because once this is uploaded on YouTube, you won't know the difference. Let's get back to this. Okay. You can remove the photo or just change it. I'm just going to change it. SPL. So see how the size of the photo is different too? Oh, I've changed the colour a bit too. It's okay. It's only for demo. Okay, click on the photo. You can't see, just down the bottom here it says open. I've just out of the screen a bit and I can't move it. No. Can't move it up for you to see, sorry. But just trust me, it says open down there. Click open. Oh, how's that? Now sometimes that can end up there. So that was a perfect photo, because it's on TV, so viewable on TV, viewable on all devices, viewable on desktop. Now, just in case the photo is just a bit out of whack, use this here and move it like that, which I probably will do. See that? Just move that a little bit to make sure, because that's the most important frame. That's the one on your desktop. Oh no, that one's not the one on your desktop, sorry. That one. That's for mobile devices, but still, you've got to make sure it looks good on all devices. You just don't want the water down there in the photo, you want the surfer. And just click done. And then up the top here, just publish. Okay, let's go to and see what happens. How's that? Perfect. Well, I just showed you how to do it. I'm going to be doing everything on YouTube. Everything that I'm going to show you how to do all of these in the future, how to put all the little Facebook and all your social media links, how to make the photos, thumbnails, but better than them. So I hope I've helped you. Check out my next videos. Look forward to the next videos that come. Anyhow, bye now.